Hello the internet, and welcome to another CNRL Library Innovation Studio home workshop. Now today we're going to show you how to make something to make something. Not everyone can afford Lego. It can be hard to get hold of large quantities without spending an absolute ton of money. So we're going to show you how you can make your kids some very affordable construction toys, which are very easily replaceable and don't really cost you anything. All you need to do is find some cardboard, cut it up into regular shapes, some squares and some rectangles. In the middle of each side, you cut a slit. Not a very big slit. And the width of the slit needs to be about the width of the cardboard. So this cardboard is probably about 2mm thick. So I've cut a 2mm bit out of this. I'm going to do that on every side. Now the more you can make of these, the better, which is why a big box is important. But zero boxes are good as well because they generally come the same thickness, so week after week you can keep adding new pieces of this to your collection, to your kids' collection. And as things get damaged, because it is only cardboard, if it gets damaged, that's not too bad. You can chuck it in the recycling because you know you can always make more. If your kid wants to make it more interesting, they can always colour it in, draw on it, doesn't really matter what they do. It's just cardboard that's eventually going to get recycled. So now, this can slot together. And it stays together fairly well so long as your gaps aren't too big. And when you have lots of them, you can start connecting things and actually build a structure. Now I'm going to make lots of these and we'll show you the sort of thing you can build. You'll learn about building and chocking things up, cutting things to work. And don't be afraid to create a few custom pieces as well, just for fun. I actually learned quite a lot about real-world physics and construction doing this sort of thing. The problems that you encounter, the way you solve them is very educational. So when things go wrong, that's actually a learning opportunity. And there you go, the possibilities are quite endless. You can make custom pieces, they don't have to be all these cross bits. You can put extra cuts here and there so you can make different shapes, make bridges, make houses, make boxes, make all sorts of things, make abstract shapes. Again, just like Lego and other toys, the limits are only your imagination. We hope you enjoy building things with this cardboard construction set, and we'd love to see your creations. Post on our social media channel your photos and videos, or to your own and hashtag #InnovationStew so we'll be sure to find it. Please like, share and subscribe so you and others can join us on the next CNRL Library Innovation Studio online workshop. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all the usual places @InnovationStew, and check the home workshops page on innovationstew.com.au for extra resources. See you next time. Who's a good robot?